Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Looking for the cutest and most creative crochet baby shoes designs? You are in the right place. In today's video, we are exploring adorable crochet baby shoes that are not only stylish but also soft, comfortable and perfect for little feet. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, these designs will inspire your next handmade project. Let's start with the classic booty style. These are timeless, easy to customize and perfect for newborns. You can add cute buttons, bows or even tiny pom-poms to make them extra special. Next up we have sneakers inspired baby shoes. These mini versions of sneakers look super trendy and are great for baby boys and girls. Play around with color combinations like white and blue or pink and gray for a modern touch. If you love elegant design, try Mary Jane style crochet shoes. These come with a cute strap across the top and look absolutely charming, especially when paired with baby dresses. For a colder season, crochet baby booties are a must. These designs provide warmth and style at the same time. You can use thicker yarn and add fluffy curves for a cozy winter look. Don't forget about animal themed baby shoes, from tiny bears to little bunnies. These designs are fun, playful and perfect for gifting. Lastly, experiment with colorful patterns and textures. Mixing stitches like shell stitch or puff stitch can give your baby shoes a unique and eye-catching look. Crochet baby shoes are quick to make and perfect for selling, gifting or dressing up your little one in handmade love. If you enjoy these ideas, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet inspiration. Happy crocheting, and tell me more about which type of video I upload next. Give me some ideas so that I can give you some more information about crochet work and you can enjoy crochet work without any tension, with ease. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Looking for the cutest and most creative crochet baby shoes designs?